2003 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro 30 for sale in West Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada V1Z3M1 Spread your wings and fly with this 2003 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro 30. This Class A motorhome is 30 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong 8.1 liters 8-cylinder gasoline engine mated with an automatic 4-speed Allison transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning, and sleeps 6 guests comfortably. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a leveling system, backup camera and captain's chairs. With only 86,500 kilometers, you can rest assured that this Allegro will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2003 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro 30 is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include kitchen, Corian countertops, maple cabinetry, 3-burner stove, convection microwave, refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette with booth-style seating, day and night shades, living room, television, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, cable-ready sofa, sleeper, swivel chairs, bathroom, Corian countertops, stand-up shower, toilet, sink, outside shower, bedroom, walk-around master, queen-size bed, television, storage dresser, storage closet, additional options, basement storage, furnaces, AC unit, vacuum, power boost, antenna, power mirrors, fog lights, towing package, smoke detector, 4K backup generator, and many other items to make your camping trips fun. This 2003 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro 30 is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Allegro is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2003 Tiffin Motorhome Allegro 30.